Opportunities like this don't come available very often. This home is nestled in Live Oak Station, which is between Rock Rimmon and Peregrine. It is the outdoor enthusiast dream. It's close to hiking, biking, all kinds of outdoor activities. It's near Ute Valley Park, Garden of the Gods, Blodgett Peak, and Pike National Forest. Welcome to 7425 Hollandale Drive. This home offers 2,600 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's been beautifully updated, and wait until you see these stunning views. The kitchen has been beautifully updated with new granite countertops, tile black splash, new cabinets, all new stainless steel appliances, and the views out the window are stunning. The kitchen leads directly into an eat-in nook and a cozy family area which centers around a gas fireplace. This area is truly the heart of the home, and it walks directly out to this gorgeous deck. The upper level offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. From the primary room, you'll see stunning views. You can enjoy rolling hills, mountains, and at night, the sparkling city lights are gorgeous. The basement offers a nice big rec area with garden level windows, so you're getting some great light on this level. Additionally, there's another bedroom and a bathroom, perfect for that guest space. The backyard is fully fenced in with a privacy fence, and there's lots of beautiful trees. There's planter boxes that even have a garden for the season going, and the composite deck is large and offers beautiful views of rolling hills, city lights, and mountains.